Good evening. Today I will discuss your preliminary subject, that is Avogadro's law and some of its applications. So student, before the Avogadro's law there was a hypothesis. It was told that equal volume of all gases under similar condition of temperature and pressure contain equal number of atoms. That was the hypothesis given by Berzelius. Berzelius hypothesis. But this hypothesis, equal number of equal volume of all gases under similar condition of temperature and pressure contain equal number of atoms. That hypothesis was told by Berzelius, but it was found incorrect or wrong because of some explanation given by Berzelius. Then after it was objected by this way, like this. When I am talking about the hydrogen plus chlorine, let's say, it was found that hydrogen chloride is formed. When hydrogen and chlorine react each other, then we get hydrogen chloride. All are, let's say, gases. If it is given one volume, it is also one volume, let's say, and here we get 2 volume of hydrogen chloride. It was produced. When one volume of hydrogen and one volume of chlorine is taken, then you get 2 volumes of hydrogen chloride. And if the Berzelius hypothesis is taken into account, then equal volume of all gases contain equal number of atoms. Then I can say one volume, let's say n atoms. It is also n atoms. Here we get 2 atoms of hydrogen chloride. Let's say 2n atoms of hydrogen chloride. If that would be one atom, जदि एटा गोटे एटम नबा, एटा गोटे एटम नबा, ताने एटा दुईटा एटम पाइबा, दुईटा एटम of hydrogen chloride. One atom. If you have to prepare one atom of hydrogen chloride, then you have to take half atoms of hydrogen and half atoms of chlorine. This is what is the conclusion. If equal volume contains equal number of atoms, then it was objected likewise, as jehetu one volume it gives 2 volume, and here when we are considering half atoms of hydrogen and half atoms of chlorine gives one compound atom of hydrogen chloride. Then what is defect here? Defect is that it is correct, it is possible, one atom of hydrogen compound atom is possible, but half atom of hydrogen is not possible, because you know atom only the smallest particle which can take part in chemical reaction, not a half atom. You cannot take half of the atom to react or to give someone, but half atom has no entity, तार किसी सत्ता नहीं. तो half atom कथा आम नहीं कि reaction करी परिवार ने minimum one atom दरकार. But in this case, if atom is the smallest particle and atom is the reacting species, then half atom cannot be possible. So this Berzelius hypothesis was proved incorrect. Hence, this hypothesis was proved incorrect. Therefore, we get Avogadro's law. Here it is said, equal volume of all gases under similar condition of temperature and pressure contain equal number of molecules. समान संख्यार molecule. जदि आमे समान volume रो जे कोनोसी गैस नबा आ सेमानकर ताप चाप टेम्परेचर प्रेशर समान थिबो, ताहले सेमानकर ठारे जदि मॉलिक्यूल बा अणु संख्या गणिबा, नॉट परमाणु संख्या एटम संख्या नुहे, जदि अणु संख्या गणिबा ताने प्रत्येक रे समानता अणु रहिबो. तेणु विथ दैट रेस्पेक्ट यू कैन राइट हियर n molecules, not atoms. n molecules. Here also n molecules. Here also 2n molecules. And in this regard, when you are interested to get one molecule of hydrogen chloride, one molecule of hydrogen chloride, यदि आम नवाक चाहिए ताने आमको कौन करिया पड़ियो ना हाफ मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन नवा पड़ियो एटी हाफ मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ क्लोरीन नवा को पड़िबो तेणु हाफ मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ क्लोरीन बा हाफ मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज पॉसिबल बिकॉज हाफ मॉलिक्यूल can be divided to give a atom which can take part in the chemical reaction, and it is also verified that one molecule of hydrogen contains two atoms. गोटे molecule दीटा atom अच्छी हाफ molecule कले आम गोटे atom पाइबा जो atom की रासायनिक प्रतिक्रिया रे भाग नहीं molecule गठित हेबो तेणु this hypothesis was proved wrong, and therefore this hypothesis which is emphasized to the molecule is taken correct. This is what is the Avogadro's law. So, equal volume of all gases under similar condition of temperature and pressure contain equal number of molecules. With that regard, you can say, let's say one example, you have to remember this one. If there are, let's say this is a container of V liter, this is another container of V liter, and this is another container of V liter. Let's say here is hydrogen gas, here is chlorine gas, and here is, let's say, carbon dioxide gas. When we are considering these three gases of same volume, and if the temperature pressure is taken at NTP condition, what will happen? At NTP condition, if temperature is equal to normal temperature, you know 0 degree centigrade or 273 Kelvin, and the pressure is equal to 1 atmospheric pressure or 760 millimeter of Hg. This is, if this condition, this is called NTP condition, normal temperature and pressure, and here also same condition. Here also same condition जदि आम नवा तीनटा जाक गैस समान टेम्परेचर प्रेशर कंडीशन हेले से समान टेम्परेचर समान प्रेशर समान वॉल्यूम मध्य नेले जदि आम आधे मॉलिक्यूल संख्या गणिबा आधे मॉलिक्यूल संख्या गणिबा आधे मॉलिक्यूल समान रहिबो आ से समान कथा आबगाड्रो कहले दैट इज 6.023 10 to the power 23 molecules. Here also this one molecules, here also that number of molecule, here also that number of molecule. Means this is called same, and it is also another represented as Na or Avogadro number or N0 Avogadro number or mole, and this volume is taken, let's say 22.4 liters. Then it is correct. Not V liter, 22.4 liters, and here 22.4 liters. So here a conclusion was made by Avogadro that 22.4 liters of any gas, 22.4 liters of any gas at NTP condition contain 6.023 10 to the power 23 molecules, means Avogadro number of molecules. This is one important conclusion given by Avogadro. Another, if you try to have some application in this regard, I can say you can determine the molecularity of a gas. So we can, in the application रे Avogadro's law application ने हमें काढ़ी परिबा कौन ना molecularity. Let's say gaseous molecule, you know, hydrogen, let's say ozone, let's say oxygen here. This is a diatomic molecule, this is a triatomic molecule, this is also a diatomic molecule. So this atomicity of a gaseous molecule can be determined by Avogadro's law. So here, application 1, you can say determination of atomicity of a gaseous molecule. So here I can give some example like that. That is, let's say here I may write hydrogen. When react with chlorine, that hydrogen chlorine सहित मिसे सेते बेले हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड हुए. Hydrogen chloride. According to the, if this is one volume, this is one volume, this is two volume, which is experimentally determined. Experiment करके देखा गला जे one volume रो hydrogen gas, one volume रो chlorine gas combine कले two volume रो hydrogen chloride gas हुए. So now apply this Avogadro's law here. Let's say n molecules is present. Here also n molecules is to be react, and if we get 2n molecules. If it would be one molecule, then one molecule, this should be one molecule. If it is half molecule, then it would be half molecule, it will be half one molecule. So here, one molecule of hydrogen chloride contains same number of atoms as present in half molecule of hydrogen. Half molecule of hydrogen. Now, धरा जाओ आमे कहबा ए जो one molecule hydrogen chloride आसीची, half molecule hydrogen आसीची, half molecule chlorine आसीची. तो one molecule hydrogen chloride रे जतोटी hydrogen atom थिबो, सेही hydrogen atom सेतिकी आरी भितरु आस्थिबो, half molecule of hydrogen आस्थिबो. बुझी होची. तो आमे एठी कोन करबा ना वर्तमान डिसाइड करबा one molecule of hydrogen chloride रे केतेटा number of hydrogen atom अछि, how many numbers. How to decide? So you know hydrogen chloride is an acid. Hydrogen chloride is an acid. Therefore, during the formation of a salt, when I am giving, let's say, a base ZF, then we get a salt. Acid, let's say hydrogen chloride plus base sodium hydroxide, let's say. और जो एसिड और बेस मिसे ताने हमें सॉल्ट एंड वाटर पाइबा. एटी पाइबा सोडियम क्लोराइड plus water. None of the, only one type of salt, that is sodium chloride, is obtained. Only one type, only chloride salt is obtained. One type. In case of hydrogen chloride. If let's say sulfuric acid will be there, sulfuric acid, then it is found that by reacting with the sodium hydroxide, you may get two types of salt, like sodium hydrogen sulfate plus sodium sulfate plus water. These two salt, sodium hydrogen sulfate and sodium sulfate, two salts are obtained. Because, and from that salt, आमे से salt दी प्रकार पाइले से इतरो आमे conclusion draw करिवा जे सते की आ देहरे दीटा replaceable hydrogen atom अछि. The acid रे दीटा replaceable hydrogen atom थिबारु आमे दीटा salt पाइले. जदि आको फॉर्मूला हिसाब रे लिखिबा आमे बेटर जानि परिबा कि जेतु फॉर्मूला टी कोआ जाउनी Avogadro's law बेले तनो आमे फॉर्मूला हिसाब लिखले H2SO4, you know. When it replaces one hydrogen atom, then we get sodium bisulfate. When two hydrogen atom, then we get Na2SO4. So these two types of salts are obtained as because there are two hydrogen atoms in one molecule of sulfuric acid. But in this case, only we get one type of salt. आमे हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड को गोटे टाइप रे सॉल्ट पाउचे तेणु आमे कहबा जे हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड रे ओनली वन एटम ऑफ हाइड्रोजन अछि, वन एटम ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज देयर. इन हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड ओनली वन एटम ऑफ हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड थिबारु आमे गोटे प्रकार सॉल्ट पाउचे. देयरफॉर वन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन. सो फ्रॉम दिस वी कंक्लूड दैट one molecule of hydrogen chloride has one atom of hydrogen, and that one atom of hydrogen come from one half molecule of hydrogen. So we can write half molecule of hydrogen is equal to one atom of hydrogen. So one molecule of hydrogen is equal to two atoms of hydrogen. यही प्रकार हुए हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल एटॉमिसिटी बाहर कराई कि हाइड्रोजन को आम मॉलिक्यूल को H2 बोली लिखुचे बुझिपारे पिला तेणु एटॉमिसिटी ऑफ हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन और ओजोन can be verified by this adverse law. Another one is that important one, that is a relation between molecular mass and vapor density. हमें vapor density, molecular mass and vapor density भितरे relation establish करिबा, and that is we have to prove molecular mass is equal to 2 into vapor density. What is vapor density and what is molecular mass, we have to discuss. So molecular mass, we know molecular mass is equal to mass of one molecule of a substance divided by mass of one atom of hydrogen. This is the way how the molecular mass is defined. That means the molecular mass of a substance or the molecule represents how many times it is heavier than one atom of hydrogen. Therefore, it is divided. Here, let's say, let me give one example. Let's say molecular mass of carbon dioxide, you know, carbon has 12 mass and oxygen has 2 into 16 is equal to 44 m, and hydrogen, you know, 1 mu generally धरा जाए. तेणु मोलिकुलर मास जेते मास को रिप्रेजेंट करे तने हाइड्रोजन ठारू ये 44 गुण ओजनिया जुगे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मोलिकुलर मास 44 धरा जायछि. So this is what is the definition of molecular mass. Now vapor density, definition of vapor density can be represented like this. Vapor density is equal to mass of V liter of gas, some volume, mass of V liter of gas at a particular temperature and pressure divided by mass of same V liter of hydrogen at that temperature and pressure. सही temperature pressure रे हाइड्रोजन V लीटर वॉल्यूम जेतिकी ताको डिवाइड कर दबा V लीटर गैस सहित. So mass of V liter of gas at a particular temperature and pressure divided by mass of V liter of hydrogen at same temperature and pressure. This ratio is called vapor density. Now let us arrange this and apply the Avogadro's law here. If you say mass of V liter gas same temperature pressure, here also same temperature pressure, then we can say same volume of all gases under similar condition of temperature and pressure contain equal number of molecules. Therefore, I can write mass of n molecule of a gas divided by mass of n molecules of hydrogen at, let's say gas at NTP condition ले आ जाओ, here at NTP, let's say. Now mass of n molecule of gas at NTP divided by mass of n molecule of hydrogen at NTP. Now let's say here is one molecule, let's say here also we can take one molecule. If n molecule can be cancelled, we get one molecule of हम भी नहीं पारिबा mass of one molecule of gas at NTP by mass of one molecule of hydrogen at NTP. Then here you can write one molecule of hydrogen at NTP. One molecule of hydrogen at NTP means, you know, molecular or atomicity of hydrogen is 2. Therefore, I can write here mass of one molecule of gas divided by 2 into mass of one atom of hydrogen, right? Because one molecule of hydrogen equal to 2 atoms, therefore 2 into mass of one atom. Now this one is nothing but the molecular mass. You know, molecular mass of one molecule gas by mass of one atom of hydrogen. Here also same is written, but here is by 2 divided by 2. Factor 2 is here. Therefore, we can write molecular mass by mass of one molecule, molecular mass. Here it is called molecular mass by 2. So vapor density is equal to molecular mass by 2. So we can write easily that molecular mass is equal to 2 into vapor density. 2 into vapor density. This is what is the relation between molecular mass and vapor density. बुझिपार पिले या बही देखीदेव आम जहाँ लिखिली ये कथा तापरे आमे आउट एप्लिकेशन बुझिबा दैट ग्राम मोलिकुलर वॉल्यूम इज 22.4 liters. Another application, gram molar volume or molecular volume is equal to 22.4 liters at NTP. This is one of the another relation we can establish this relation by the help of Avogadro's law. How it is possible? Let's see. We have already proved. I am already प्रमाण कर सारी molecular mass is equal to 2 into vapor density. Therefore, I can write here 2 into vapor density के बदले आम लिखि परिबा mass of 1 liter of gas at NTP divided by mass of 1 liter of hydrogen at NTP. It is calculated that this mass of 1 liter of hydrogen at NTP is equal to 0.098 gram. So here mass of 1 liter of gas at NTP बदले आम hydrogen at NTP बदले लिखि परिबा 0.098 gram. Here mass of 1 liter of gas at NTP divided by mass of, here the mass can be represented as 0.098 gram. Mass of 1 liter of gas at NTP. So now this, when this gram is taken to this side, then here will be gram molecular mass, and in this case 2 by 0.098, it is, when it is divided 2 by 0.098 means it is 2000 by 98. So here on division we get 196, it is 40, and here when point is there 40, 98, 0.0 8 here it is found to be, let's say, mass of 1 liter of hydrogen gas at NTP can be calculated, and that is approximately 0.098 gram. So it is found to be approx. So on division, this one it gives to 22.4 into mass of 1 liter of gas at NTP. Let me recorrect this one, 0.9 gram. Now when it is divided to this one 0.09, then it comes to be 22.4 on division. Then here the gram molecular mass is equal to 22.4 into mass of 1 liter of gas at NTP. Therefore, you can write mass of 22.4 liter at NTP. So, gram molecular mass is equal to this one. Therefore, the gram molecular volume is equal to 22.4 liter at NTP. This is what is the another application and conclusion from Avogadro's law. So molar volume means 1 mole gas, any gas at NTP occupies 22.4 liters, and this is another relation, and the most important relation is gram molecular mass. Molecular mass is equal to into vapor density. So with this regard, with this Avogadro's law, we have to define Avogadro's law, its justification, then its application, means determination of atomicity, determination of molecular mass is equal to into vapor density, also establish the relation between molecular volume and that is equal to 22.4 liter. These three applications of Avogadro's law. Today this much. Next class I will discuss molecular mass, equivalent mass, etc. Thank you.